Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Gianna in the house. Yes guys, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, we're gonna make some curry goat. This part is the rib part, so I hope it's softer. So anyhow, I cut it up and we're gonna wash it with some lime. You can use lemon or vinegar. So here goes guys, we're gonna put some green onion or scallion. We're gonna put some regular onion. I have 1.5. All right, we're gonna go in with some scotch bonnet pepper. I cut up some. Put a teaspoon of ginger paste, or you can cut up some little piece of ginger and put it in it and put it in there guys. Some garlic paste, another teaspoon. Some blended seasoning, green seasoning, marinade, about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna put some fresh pimento, although some is in my seasoning. Pimento give it a good flavor. We're gonna go in with some dry thyme. You know, these are all the natural flavor guys. I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of olive oil. I put the olive oil so it will hold the seasoning on the meat. We're gonna marinate it for overnight. All right guys, I have to get another olive oil that was finishing, so about a tablespoon. I don't measure guys. Now we're gonna add some garlic powder, about a teaspoon, because I add the garlic paste already. I'm gonna add also about 2 teaspoons of this onion powder. Lots of onion powder, yeah, lots. We're gonna put a pinch of salt. I'm gonna put about half teaspoon. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. It's finished. Garam masala, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon. Some people say G masala. We're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose. Have to have lots of seasoning guys. There. Put a little bit of turmeric. Gonna put about a teaspoon. Because now guys, you're gonna add some now and burn some in the oil. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of curry for now. All right, and then that way that look like a tablespoon and a half. Let me put a little bit of paprika. That's good. All right, I'll grab myself a glove. Okay, and this is the goodness. Look at that. Now you want to mix it up. I'm not gonna cook this now. We're gonna set it in the fridge, put a cover over it, a pot cover or something, and we're gonna leave it and come back tomorrow. We're gonna cook it up with some white rice. Yeah, curry and white rice. This in the fridge for more than a day. All right, so we're gonna put some olive oil. I'm gonna put a whopping 2 tablespoons, maybe 3, about 3 tablespoons there. Look like a little bit more. Like about 1/4 cup. And the garlic to burn. All right, I asked my mom, I said, Marcy, should I just pressure it? She said, no man, no pressure it, just slow cook it. All right guys, so this is it. About 4 pounds of meat, all right, or 3 pounds something. So we're gonna put it in there. May I almost forget, but wait, we can still run the boat. All right, we're gonna put some more curry, about another tablespoon, something like that, to burn a little bit in the oil. All right. La la, I almost forget about the curry, the burning of the oil. Yeah. right, there you have it. All right, then we're just gonna continue to put the rest of the meat, pimento and all. It's just onion and scallion, so it's okay to fry up it with it. All right, guys, a whole leaf. If you see some string, add the ginger. Okay. No water yet. Okay, just let it fry up for about say 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and add some water to it. All right, I'm gonna cover it up a little bit. Like at 5 minutes, guys, you stir, cover it up, stir again. Now see now my pot, guys. Oi, smell the goat meat. Oh my, look how the thing look good. Alright, about 5 more minutes. We are cook it down a little bit more, and then you want to get some hot water on hand. We're gonna put some hot water, boiling water. All right, we're gonna put about 2 cups first. We're gonna put it to the side. Something like that. We're gonna put 1 pepper. We're gonna put some more green onion or scallion. I have frozen, guys. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme, my dry thyme. Alright, and you know me put my garlic in there already. Alright, let this take time and cook. Alright, guys, slow cook. So put about 2 to 3 cups of water, but I don't want to add water too much all at once. Okay, you can pressure it if you want. My mom said don't pressure it, make it slow cook. Alright, guys, this is how it's looking after about an hour. It dried down and all. It's not cooked yet. Alright, guys, see how it look nice. Alright, we're gonna tip second portion of water, another 2 cups or cup and a half. Guys, you see pepper gone, it's gonna be spicy. Let that simmer. And guys, remember to stir occasionally. Alright guys, this is where we're at. So guys, you notice the amount of oil right there. So some people leave it, I don't. So go ahead. This is the oil from the meat. Alright guys, so go ahead and skim it off. Skim off as much as you can, guys. When you go to the store, they mix up everything and serve it. You want to leave a little bit, you know, for flavor of it, but not so much. Okay guys, take out as much as you can. Alright, that looks better, right guys? That's how I like to do it. Guys, me say hot your fat. Look on pepper. All you see them in them, you don't know where you see them gone. Oh. Alright guys, you want to cook it until it fall off the bone. Alright guys, so this is the last water now. Put about a cup or a cup and a half. We're gonna cook it down one more time. Alright, when this halfway done, test the meat. I just check it, it's almost cooked. I'm gonna add my potatoes. 2 potatoes. We're gonna add a little bit more green onion or scallion. Jamaican people say scallion. We're gonna put a little bit of red bell peppers and a little bit of green, well, yellow and orange. This is my blended seasoning. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon. As you season up the gravy and the pot, you know, look a bit more thyme. You can put the green one, and I'm gonna put 2 Maggi vegetable cubes. All right, now guys, you're gonna taste it. If you want more pepper, if you want more salt, if you want more seasoning, whatever you want, put in there. All right, We'll let this simmer down. Simmer down. About 15 minutes, I'll come back. Alright guys. Woo-hoo. Yes. Alright guys, this is it. Yes. Look at the goodness guys. Meat to fall from the bone. You see this guys? Yes. That's it right there. I have some rice. Just plain white rice. And I have some vegetable. And that's it. You can use some fried plantain. I'm out of plantain today guys. Ooh. Wow. Some potato too. I like, oh boy. And we're just gonna set some lettuce. This is how I'm serving it up. Alright, add a little bit of parsley flakes. This is it guys. Yes. This is my Jamaican people say curry mutton, curry goat, anyhow you want to call it, with some vegetable and white rice. Alright guys, let's taste this. I'm gonna make sure it's soft, you know guys, you see? See that? Amazing.